When matching hard material box components, there is always a feeling of insufficient power from the equipment, and that cutting is laborious. Try the HMIC 80 horizontal matching center, which is equipped with a 22 kilowatts main motor and a BT50 spindle, providing strong power output. Even when working with high hardness metals, the matching efficiency is directly improved. Moreover, the X and Y axis travel reach 1050 millimeters, and the Z axis travel is 900 millimeters, allowing for precise matching of long-sized or deep cavity box components in one go without the need for segmented operations. The work table can bear 1 ton, and with the smooth movement of Taiwan's roller guides, matching is stable and efficient. If there is a need for multi-phase matching, adding an angle head can achieve 6-phase matching.